Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have EKSA GT1 wireless Bluetooth gaming earbuds and you need to do a hard factory reset, clearing all of the pairing history off of them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start on these earbuds and be able to set them up like they're just coming out of the box new, with all of the pairing history deleted off of them, we can go ahead and do that, and it's very simple to do. We just need to put the earbuds back into the case and leave the case open as shown here. And then we're just going to come in and press the touch buttons on the back of each earbud simultaneously for 6 seconds. So we'll press and hold this for 6 seconds with them in the case. After those 6 seconds, you can release. All of the pairing history will be deleted off of them. You can go ahead and take them out and set them up like a new set of earbuds.